Fate.
Good morning everyone, hope everyone's doing very well. Nice Perth summer's day here. We're just a tick over 40 degrees, so I don't want to stay outside too long. It's only about 10:30 in the morning and it's an absolute stinker, so we'll crack on and get inside as soon as we can. But outside, this is an ECX19, pretty much the standard features. A couple of new ones as well to go with it is a couple of wood boxes on top. We also offer one wood box that goes all the way across, so you can have that as an option as well. This customers customize their toolbox to have a big pull-out drawer that we've manufactured on the right hand side, because they're not using a generator, because this has got an off-grid package. And then on the left side here, we've got a slide out where they're going to fit their Weber Q, and then obviously they've gone for Dometic's outdoor slide out kitchen, and we've got a lifestyle picnic table next to that. Moving a little bit further around, they've also opted for the Boss jockey wheels stabilizing legs as well, which is another option that allows you to actually jack the caravan off the ground, whereas other stabilizing legs don't allow you to do that. So that's another option that these customers have fitted. Also reverse camera on the back, AEM GME radio antenna as well, just to get a bit better signal. Dual spares as per normal, as standard on ECX19. And then obviously you've got your dunny there, and an outdoor shower as well. And then you've got your water tanks also just down here. We've got an Anderson plug in for your solar, and then also the ball valve for your waste. And then it's obviously just running Cruise Masters XT coil, and they've also opted to run our bash guard under there as well for the Senate, just to protect the pipework a little bit more. So, well, that's the outside. I'm going to run around and give you a bit of a tour now on the inside of the van. Just going to change it out here to 0.5 because it's a bit easier to see. So as we come inside, first thing you'll hear is the aircon's on. As you'll notice, I've walked all the way around the outside of the van, and we do not have any 240 power or a genset running, so the whole van in terms of 240 is currently running straight off of the battery system. And obviously, as you can see here, the aircon's currently pulling about 90 odd amps out of the system, but we're putting in 30 amps worth of solar, so it's consuming about 60 amp hours at the moment as it is. So based on that, with a 360 amp hour battery bank, you'll obviously have about 6 to 8 hours before the sunlight at the end of the day runs out, and then you have limited battery life left in the battery. So it's not something that you can run forever and a day, but it's certainly something that'll keep you going in those times where it's a day like today, where you need to stay hydrated and keep cool. So this van's also fitted with a couple of specialist options that the customers have gone for here. Specifically over this side, normally with the L-shaped lounge or your dinette option, we wouldn't spec a pantry, but it is an option that you can have. So these customers have taken that up, which is just situated next to the fridge here. And what we've done here for them is they've got a full pull-out little pantry system here. We've made this ourselves. We don't like the little basket drawers that are on the market. They're too flimsy and they don't hold stuff in place well enough. And then they've just got some more drawer space in there as well. Main electrical box is just up here. Obviously that's for your changeover switch, so you can switch from mains power or run all the 240 off of the battery system. And then we've got all the 12 volt electrical circuits, which we also give a little placard there so everyone knows which is on what circuit. They've got 3 Sirocco fans in here, which is obviously a pretty big must. And then also customers have gone for a Caravan Sahara, just absolutely awesome units, and I fully recommend everyone put one of these on their units, even if they are planning limited really dusty off-road use. It's just a good worthwhile investment in having something like that in your van. Obviously at 2.4 kilowatt reverse cycle Truma air conditioners, really great units. Yeah, haven't had any issues with them since we switched over to them about 18 months ago. Customers have gone for a traditional kitchen layout, nothing too spectacular. Induction cooktop as well, which and then as far as all the kitchen amenities have gone, they've just gone for a bank of 4 drawers down this side, and then a couple of big drawers in the center, and then they've also opted to go for a bin, which is an option. You don't have to have it. Some people like it, some people don't. Everyone's different. So we totally get that, and that's why we offer so many options at Elros. Just gone for just a normal sink bowl, so you can have a sink bowl with a drain as well. Your choices are pretty endless with what we can provide you. And then they've gone for the silver tank tapware package, which really complements this colour scheme quite well. Into the bathroom, we've just got a 2.5 kilo washing machine, and also just normal standard features of a toilet. They just wanted some shelving space next to the toilet. You can also make that a pull-out laundry basket if you wanted to, and then obviously just a standard shower that we've got in there. Nothing special or spectacular. Bushman 190 litre fridge. And that's really rounding out basically all of the features in the van here. Obviously you've got the nooks up the end in the bedroom area. That's for if you want to put a CPAP machine or something similar, a tablet, all those sorts of things. When you finish reading at night, you can just put your knickknacks in there. It's got 240 power as well as 12 volt USB to charge your phones. Yeah, that's basically a quick whip around and tour of the van. So if you're interested in something similar of this nature, definitely get in contact with us. Current production lead time is roughly just on 14 months, so we do have a bit of a wait, but as you can see, product speaks for itself. Customer service, we try and do as best as we can to facilitate your needs, and if you've got any questions or anything like that, please get in contact with us, www.elros.com.au, or you can email us directly at info@elros.com.au. Thanks guys.